Everybody, it was June 12th. Dan Wojcik here, Belfast Blue Insurance. Just want to give everybody a quick update on what we know about the Erie Insurance data breach. They are working through it right now with the authorities. All of our systems are still down. They've been down since Saturday. What that means is all of the policies are still in place. Nobody's been canceled or will be denied coverage. If you need to file claims, contact us directly. We have to do it the old-fashioned way, pen and paper, file the claim, get it over to processing. What we're not allowed to do right now is we're not allowed to make policy changes. We also cannot take payments. I know the whole payment system is down. Nobody's going to be canceled or denied coverage due to non-payment until the systems get back up and running and get this sorted out. Also cannot do cancellations, cannot do policy changes, add drops, anything like that, changes in coverage. All of those features are off right now. I can't even really look up a lot of the details on your policies due to the systems being down. We have not been given a time frame when they'll be back up and running, but we are hoping in the next few days as they're still investigating what's going on. I know it affected Philadelphia Insurance, some others. But what I wanted to do real quick is take this time for those local here in Pittsburgh. Monroe Auto Parts was recently data breached and ended up in a class action lawsuit. We cannot stress the importance of cyber coverage, especially if you own a business. Cyber incidents now have resulted in greater losses for insurance companies than natural disasters, if you can believe that. First year that's ever happened. And that trend is going to continue as more and more people are online, more and more data online, more and more exposures for hackers and things, and cyber thieves, things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick Loom video next, show you guys how we kind of do a quick free cyber analysis through Coalition. Again, 100% free for anybody, even if you're not a customer of ours. We can just take a look at your website, some of your surface level exposures. Coalition is one of the best in the business for cyber coverage. Can't recommend it highly enough if you own a business and you do any kind of website, passwords, credit cards, order taking, customer information, financial transactions, anything like, which pretty much is every business, right? So really would like to have a conversation with you guys about that if you do not have coverages in place or you're not confident in the coverages you do have in place. So let me see if I can get this Loom video queued up and kind of show you guys how the Coalition program works. Okay, guys, like we said earlier, we use Coalition as one of our primary carriers for cyber insurance. Cyber insurance is super important right now. We do these free risk assessments. Just reach out to us if you're interested in having one done. They're pretty quick and easy, about a 15-page report. And don't worry if you don't understand everything in it. It just kind of gives you a quick overview analysis of what your company looks like, your online presence, and things that they can find kind of on the surface level without going too deep. This is a sample one from a customer we did back in January. It's a landscape company. They do snow removal. So we went in, just took a look. You guys can read through these reports when we send them to you, but they actually had a really good rating. They got an 89 out of 100 on their cybersecurities. They did find a couple of things that they may want to address, and we can kind of go through those with you guys and the Coalition guys if it's stuff you guys want to address and fix, things like that. They'll find a couple of things. It's kind of similar to like an antivirus report where you go through and you find the different things that you need to work on, or software that needs to be updated, or passwords that need to be changed, and different things where you can find out that you have cyber exposures based on this quick, easy finding. Again, it's a free report. We throw it out there, send it to you guys so that you can look through it. I encourage you guys to get these reports from us. As you can see here, there's some data leaks on this one. So even though they got a great score, there's still some things that their IT group or their software people may want to take a look at just to make sure that they're being as secure as they can. So if you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully we hear from you guys. And like I said, cybersecurity is a big deal these days. Leading cause right now for insurance losses, even above natural disasters. So it's definitely a growing threat in the marketplace. Catch you next time.